Hi, how do you make a paper planner work for you? That's one of the most common questions I get, and today I want to show you one thing you can do to customize your paper planner to fit your work, your homeschool, and your life. Let's go.
All right, so here we have our paper planner that is available for Coffee Club members. It is a printable paper planner. I use the disc system. And you'll notice here that it comes with top priorities, a mini calendar, and 2 blocks for each day, along with a weekly review box and your meals. But what if you need to make these blocks smaller? One thing you can do is use stickers. So these stickers come in a variety of shapes, colors, sizes, and styles. You can find them on Amazon, Staples. The only thing that you need to keep in mind is how to make sure that the stickers fit in the box.
So there you have my one quick tip to customizing a paper planner and making it work for you. I would love to hear, do you use a paper planner? If so, which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments.